Are you operating in a challenging business today? We get it. Labor shortages, high turnover, and rising costs can slow you down. ToDo Robotics can help. Our state-of-the-art robots are here to take a load off and elevate your operations. Imagine robots handling food service, deep cleaning, deliveries, guiding guests, and even cooking in your restaurants or cafeterias. What's to love about ToDo's family of robots? Consistency, increased efficiency, big dollar savings, more engaged and motivated staff, happier customers, safer workplace, around-the-clock bot workers. With over 18 current robot models in the ToDo portfolio, we're ready for whichever operational challenge you face today. Our bots can help you with clean, greet, serve, and delivery. Our bots are make great automated employees. Today in over 10,000 restaurants, supermarkets, warehouses, casinos, schools, retailers, healthcare, office or sports facilities. Why choose ToDo Robotics? Flexible sales and leasing options. Professional tech consulting services. 24/7 support. Maintenance and repairs. Reliable warranties. Smart robots. Productive gains. Increased profits. Are you ready to meet the competitive demands of 2025 and beyond? Automate your business, engage employees, enhance value, and increase profits. Scan QR code for a free demo and visit ToDoRobotics.com or call 8772-899060. Today, let's automate the future together.